NARS Mystery Box. Have you ever heard? I never heard. One was in UK, and this time I just scroll down and search for new makeups, and NARS Mystery Box jumped out. I was like, I must get one to see what is actually included. On the website itself, it does tell you what are the possibilities. Let's find out what is inside. Okay, see a little bag. Oh, it's quite heavy. That's it. Inside they're being wrapped as well. 3 items. This one is NARS Mousse Blush. Really good. Really good. And this color is called Peach. No, Rush. Rush is peach in Chinese. And this is the lipstick, and the color is Shanghai Express. Very Chinese, yeah. And this is NARS. Oh wow, it's a limited 9 color palettes. I like the packaging, and I don't have this one, which is great. Look, and it's Chinese red, which is perfect. I don't have this one. Oh wow, this set is quite famous in China. It has very in-trend colors, you guys see. I forgot about the rest. Let me do these swatches. It's creamy. It's like dry cream, because when you touch the powder itself, you don't feel it's powder at all. The color pigmentation, perfect. It definitely carries NARS quality. And look at the shimmer color, the reflection, and the color design itself is really good. I love it. Absolutely love it. Let me check how much I actually paid in total. I paid 359 RMB, which is around £42, 43 pounds. When you have a eyeshadow palette in this, at least worth half, at least. Do you guys want to see a get ready with me of using this palette? Or let's find out the rest, and you guys let me know whether you want to see it, see all of them on the face. Please do leave your comments. Now let me open the blush. I used this one before. Let me grab mine. This one is mine, and the color is Harshed. I absolutely love it. The formulation is really good. And this one included in the mystery box is Rush. I think this one is, yeah, more towards peach. Very nice. Very nice. Because when I see it from the port, it's very orangey, isn't it? But when you actually, I tapped 3 times, 3 layers. So the color is actually quite neutral. Obviously, you don't have to, go for this strong pigment in one go. When you just swap once, it's actually quite natural light, you see. Do this and smudge it out. Can you see this side? It's melt into your skin very well. If you look for creamed blush or like a potato mash muddy blush, highly recommend the NARS one. And in this collection, the color design is really good. Let me quickly show you mine. Can you guys see how much I actually used? This one is more nude base. In comparison, would be slightly muddy and slightly coral brown in there. This is the Harshed. I think both colors are good. Both colors are completely my cup of tea. Oh, You know what you worried with those mystery box, as you don't know what is actually included. You would always hesitate in terms of, oh, does the color going to suit me? Are they going to include something that they couldn't technically sell, or not really a hyper product they just want to get rid of? But so far, I have to say, those two items are actually hot items from NARS. So certainly not the type of mystery box getting rid of things, but I think they're very encouraging. Let's see this one, Shanghai Express. Ooh. It's not a full size, it's like a sample size, I have to say. It's the red cover one. This is a interesting color. It has a little bit burgundy, smoky, rosy, but little bit of warm tone color in there. I think it's also have a little bit brown in there as well. I'm not sure gonna go with today's makeup, but you know, at least let's try the lipstick. It's a very interesting color. It's a little bit vintage color, retro. It's more redness showing when you actually glide on the lip. It's like smoky red wine. It's a very nice color. Has a strong personality. Will be certainly occasion type of colors. Not necessarily, well, depends on your own personality and clothing style. If it matches your style, obviously you can wear on daily basis. It's cool tone base, but it has warm color added in, balanced very well between the brownness as well as the raspberry berry color. It's a very good balance. What do you guys think about the mystery box? I think it's definitely worth its money. The NARS blush pot itself is already worth 300 RMB, and I paid 359 RMB. These two together is almost double the value of the box I actually paid. Besides a small size of the lipstick, so hey, well done NARS Mystery Box. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. I see you on my next one.